So in a customer-supplier relationship, there's really three main risks we identify. There's the planning risk, which has to do with planning a part, prototyping, developing. Then there's the production risk, which is covering the startup of a production, the scaling into millions of parts. And then the last, the procurement or purchasing risk, has to do with the relationship that our customers have with us, because they're looking at the long-term relationship, they're looking at a financially stable partner, they're looking at a partner that can produce quality on time, every day, for years to come.
We often feel that customer feel some risk in regards of the planning. We commit to high quality parts in order to reduce production risk. Additionally, we continuously analyze our processes up and downstream to reduce the risk of uncertainties in the program.
At Feintool, we make more than parts, we make commitments.